If you're ready to level up your toe splay game, the unique voided holes in the Earthrunner's toe spacers allow you to customize the spacing effect as you advance on your foot health journey. You can use whatever you like to increase spacing, but our favorite shim material is the Earthrunner's toe resistance band. It's the same width and is adjustable based on how many times you fold the silicone before inserting it into the toe spacer slots. Fold the resistance band 3 to 4 times depending on how much additional spacing effect you want. Pinch the fold, snip, and insert into the toe spacer slots. You can use either tweezers or a pair of needle nose pliers to fit the band material into the slots. Stretch the hole open with your finger while pulling the shim into the slot. Because the resistance band is made of nearly the same material as the toe spacers, it stays in position during wear and everything is waterproof. This trifold increased splay by about 10%.